So walk right up to that release. See it there? Okay, go ahead and kick that right by that release. There you go.
Oh!
Nice. Good shot. The bird didn't. See, she actually went to the bathroom and then she smelled the bird, which is in the bush. So she's actually on point. See how intense she is now?
Yeah.
Because she went to the bathroom and then she, oh, there's a bird. There you go.
Oh!
Nice.
Gosh.
Good girl, here. Got a girl, here. Here. Heel. Heel. Good. Sit. Sit. Yeah. If she leaves your side, hold that button down to our heel so she gets back. Pyper!
She's a little anxious now.
Yeah, exactly. Pyper! Remember, it's heel, sit, then take it from her. And then she can shake. If she shakes and stands up, make her sit again. Sit. Here! Heel. Sit. Well, put that duck behind you on the right side. Right. Pyper. She gets excited, so she kind of has some things you want to try to be consistent on, especially when you go duck hunting. Heel. Heel. Sit. Drop. Good girl.